Welcome back to the channel. If you are struggling to access your financial dashboard, you have come to the right place. In today's video, I am going to walk you through exactly how to log in to Zoho Books effectively, including how to handle two-factor authentication and security verification tasks. This guide will get you logged in smoothly. If this walkthrough helps you save time, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more productivity tutorials. All right, let's get into the step-by-step process. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to books.zoho.com. Once the page has loaded completely, look for the sign-in options. Typically, you will see a button labeled Log In at the bottom of the page or in the top navigation area. Go ahead and click that to proceed to the main authentication screen. On this screen, you will be prompted to enter your credentials. In the email or username field, type in the email address that is specifically associated with your Zoho account. After you have typed that in, click the Next button. Now, go ahead and enter your secure password, or if you have previously configured a one-time password method, input the code there. Once your details are entered correctly, click the Sign In button. If you have tightened your security by enabling multi-factor authentication, known as MFA, a prompt will appear asking for further verification. If you are using the Zoho oneauth app on your smartphone, keep an eye on your mobile device for a push notification. Open that notification and approve the sign-in request directly from your phone. Alternatively, if you have opted for SMS verification, wait for the 6-digit OTP to arrive in your text messages. Once you receive it, enter that code into the verification box on your screen and click Verify to complete your login. Once verified, you'll be taken directly to your Zoho Books dashboard. It's a seamless process once you know exactly where to click. Remember, keeping your login details secure is vital for your business financial data. If you found this video helpful and managed to access your account successfully, do not forget to support the channel by clicking that like and subscribe button. It really helps the community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.